Hi there, today I'm just talking about Dyson repairs. So my Dyson developed a fault, which was the covering here popped off. So I'm going to show you what the covering looks like on the other side. Now Dyson gets a mixed bag of reviews on its customer services. I'm going to give you my experience. I contacted Dyson, it took me 2 to 3 minutes to actually get through to a call handler. They were very quick. They wanted a photograph of the damage, so I took the photograph of the part broken off. I explained to them it doesn't affect the usability of the tool. They said, right, we'll get you a tool sent over to you. It will arrive in approximately 4 days. 4 days later, I get the tool arrives after getting transit messages, and that's a new one, which is exactly the same as the previous one, brand new version. In one of my earlier videos, I was commenting on how easily this picked up dirt and scratches, etc. Now, when we first got the Dyson, we were just hoovering up everything, and my thoughts are that we may have hooved up some light moisture or something to make that stain that badly. I don't remember seeing it, but that's the only thing I can think of which may have caused that. So we've got a brand new unit here. I'm hoping that this will not end up with the same kind of staining and discoloration as the older one. So my experience back to Dyson customer service is excellent. I've also experienced Vax's customer service, which is also excellent. The solution to the problem seems to, cut to the chase. If it's broken, there's proof that it's broken. They'll just send you a new one out. In my experience of one item. Hope that helps.